We're always thankful for the people who have made our mission possible. But this Thanksgiving, we're thinking even more about those who have worked so hard to keep our students on campus and in classrooms. So here's to our health center team, our maintenance staff, our cleaners, our administrative staff, our coaches, and our faculty. Here's wishing a very happy Thanksgiving to everyone who's made a Trine education possible, especially during these difficult times. And of course, happy Thanksgiving to the countless alumni and friends who've supported us during this year like no other. And to those around us who have worked every day to make our journey safer and healthier. We are thankful for all of you.